Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learning Connection, the place to boost your English skills with real-life conversations. Today's topic is ordering food at a restaurant. We'll go through a simple, natural conversation, explain the key phrases, and then give you time to practice with us. Let's get started! Waiter, good evening. Welcome to Bella's Bistro. How many people are in your party? Customer, hi. Just one, please. Waiter, right this way. Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink while you look? Customer, yes. I'll have a glass of water, please. Waiter, sure. I'll be back in a moment. A few seconds later, waiter, are you ready to order? Customer, yes. I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of mashed potatoes. Waiter, great choice. Would you like anything else? Customer, no, that's all for now. Thank you. Waiter, you're welcome. Your order will be out shortly. Explanation. Let's break that down. How many people are in your party? This just means how many people are with you. Write this way, a polite way to guide someone to their table. Can I get you something to drink? A common way to offer drinks before taking the food order. I'll have. This is a polite and natural way to order food. Example, I'll have the pasta. That's all for now. Use this when you're done ordering. Practice time. Now it's your turn. I'll be the waiter. You be the customer. Ready? Waiter. Hi. Welcome to Bella's Bistro. How many people are in your party? Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink? Are you ready to order? Great. Your order will be out shortly. Quick vocabulary recap. Menu. A list of food items. Grilled. Cooked over direct heat. Side. A small dish served with the main meal. Mashed potatoes. Soft, creamy potatoes. Great job. Remember, the best way to improve is to listen, repeat, and practice regularly. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next practice session. Leave a comment with your favorite dish to order at a restaurant. Let's get talking in English. See you next time on Learning Connection. Bye!